Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to extract any text present in image file without using third-party software in Windows 11 PC. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. Here I have one image file which has a text on it, so you can see. Just open the snipping tool which comes pre-installed on every Windows 11 running computer. So you can see the snipping tool. So after opening the snipping tool, just click on the three dot icons and just go to the settings and kindly update to this version or the newer than this version. So right now I'm using this version. So if you find a newer version, then kindly update it by going to the Microsoft Store app. So now in order to extract the image text, just click on these three dot icons again, and you can see here open file. Just click on it and select the folder where you have saved the image file. So now on the above you can see here text action icon. Just click on it. Wait for a few seconds, it's analyzing. So you can see here it already detected all the text. So now you can see you have two options on the above: copy all text or quick retake. And if you click on this turn arrow icon, you can directly quick retake to email address as well as the phone number. So right now I'm just want to copy, so I'll just select this copy all text and just open the Notepad application and just paste it here so you can see. And if you want to copy a particular text only, say I just want to copy this text only, then just select it and just right mouse click on it and just copy text and just paste it on the notepad. So we have selected a particular text also, and now you can click on file and you can just save it as a text file. So by using this inbuilt software named as snipping tool, we can easily extract any text present in image file without using third-party software in Windows 11 PC very easily. So if you never known about this very useful application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.